Okay. Okay. No, nothing.
We could have a serious problem here. Obviously we've got 12 volts at the front of the car. We've got 12 volts at the fuse, but we've got no voltage at the fuel pump. It might not even be the fuel pump now. We might have some sort of breakage somewhere, might be somewhere in the wiring. It's going to be really long now because now we've got to chase it.
This fuel system is actually really simple. It's a good old-fashioned return system, and it only consists of a few parts which I've drawn in my diagram.
Oh, that's a lovely diagram. Talk me through it.
Thank you. So it consists of a few parts. You've got your fuel tank that naturally stores your fuel, your pump that draws the fuel out of the tank, you've got your filter that filters any debris from the fuel, and then that gets sent onto your injectors which atomise the fuel for combustion within the engine. And you've also got a return line to return any unused fuel back to the tank.
But in this instance, this vehicle has already had 2 or 3 fuel pumps, Helen. So what a reputable garage would do is they would investigate this, and it would be more complex diagnosis by checking all the different components. And to do that, they would need to use a wiring diagram.
Absolutely. So I've simplified this complex wiring diagram into a very simple schematic. It consists of 4 things: a power source, an ignition switch, a fuse that protects that circuit from overload, and a relay, which is just an electromagnetic switch that switches the fuel pump on.
So what we need to ensure is that we've got the 12 volts from the battery being delivered to the pump. And at the moment, it seems that we do have a lack of power. So a complex diagnosis would include following it back through the system and through each component to make sure we find out where that 12 volts is being lost.
Yeah.